Yo, what is going on, guys, gals, aliens, and degen freaks? Welcome to Dano Crypto. On this live stream, I show you guys how to make simple, effective, and easy moves in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. So we're just gonna do a little camera adjustment here real quick. Let's see what happens. Bada bing, bada boom. What's going on, guys? Hope you're feeling well. Hope you're doing good. It's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Happy Bitcoin pump. I think if you were watching our live stream last night, you would have been catching a little bit of these momentums on the altcoins and on Bitcoin. So we were looking at the tops of the bands on the Bollinger Bands. And I'm telling you guys, if you just want to just learn the basics of trading and getting into these markets, the indicators that people are always asking, like, what indicators should I use? Well, I'm telling you, the Bollinger Bands, the RSI, and the MACD. And then if you can combine those and use those as a trifecta to be able to see those reoccurring patterns and those resistance and support levels, and you combine that all together, and then you can see some profits in your trading, and you will see your trading account start to increase by just learning those three indicators right there. And a lot of the times these indicators that you pay for is just a combination of all those things, just telling you the same dang thing. So let's go, guys. Let's hit the like button. Let's subscribe. Thank you to all of the new subscribers. I really do appreciate it. You guys are the best. We are pushing up to 3K subscribers, guys. We're getting the content better. Every single time we stream, we're getting better and better, and you guys are getting more interactive. You guys are having more fun. You're smashing the likes. We're making more money. We're learning about crypto. We're doing this together. It's a collective journey here, and I think the reason why you guys like to watch my channel is maybe you get shout outs, you get to have that chat interaction, and you guys are just as a part of the show as I am. So thank you guys so much for being a part of the show. And if you are new to the channel, please go to the Discord, sign up on the Discord, make sure you make yourselves known. And we got an active Discord now. We got over 70 members in the Discord, so the link is in the description for that. So make sure you go to the channel, go to the link in the description, and make sure you do so. So we like to do this. We like to give shout outs to the members of the channel. So let's go and see the new members. We have over 10 members now. So we have 12 members of the channel. So that means we're going to be doing members only live streams, and we're going to be starting those this week. So we're just going to pick a day, and we're going to do a special live stream for just the members, and we're going to be able to test out crypto games together, talk about different coins, and it's just going to be a lot more intimate, and I think it builds a little bit more value for the people that are fans of the channel and like what we do here. So shout out to Space Cowboys, Freedom is Wealth, Sen, myself, Clint34, Kalichi, Yes Sir, Alexandra G, the mod of all mods. We got Tone Lee, Brucey Kibitz, Havin Peck, and Stephen Randall Jr. Shout out to you guys. And thank you to all the new subscribers. All right, so guys, you saw the thumbnail, and you probably are thinking, man, this guy keeps talking about Pepe. Why does he keep talking about Pepe? Well, it's because, oh, okay, we almost hit the take profit. Oh, we were so close. Look at this, guys. Look at how close that wick got up to our take profit. Oh, it was so close. But look, we're still having some value area highs. So the thing is with the news with Pepe is that we have the perpetuals listings happen today on Coinbase International. So you got to think what is bullish for the long term. I think people are going to want to long Pepe. We're seeing it right now. People aren't shorting Pepe. Why would you short Pepe? Why would you short it? So people are going to long it. So they are going to absolutely long Pepe. So that's what we're going to see. So I'd love to see the actual figures of the charts on the Coinbase. So like after today, and let this week go. Let this week kind of marinate, and let's see where Pepe goes. And what if it does so well that Coinbase just has no choice but to list it on spot Coinbase? And then, oh my gosh, then Pepe is going to be a top 15, top 20 coin. So it's just crazy, guys. So then you got to think about Floki as well. So we put in the Floki trade. We're putting our money where our mouth is. We told you guys that Floki was going to be seeing a leg up because it had that bullish pattern in the charts. And so what we did is we put in the trade. We've been taking profits, and we're actually set a take profit right back up to where it's going to wick up again. We start seeing more bullish moves with Bitcoin. So let's look at Bitcoin, and let's see what it did overnight. So overnight, we just saw that really nice push. We're going to look at the 4-hour. We were setting alerts of where we were going to be hitting these levels. And you can see here, just let's see. On the 19th, we had the 19th. We got the 20th here. So we're on the 4 hour. So we pushed up here. We got to see it. We got to look at the time frame for the 22nd. So yeah, we were just right here just last night, 66,000. And we were thinking, look, we're trading on the band. We're trading above the SMA 20. So it's looking really, really good. It started to kind of trade down just a little bit. It pumped, then trade down retracement. And now we're seeing I think we're seeing good. We're going to see some good support coming in to this level here, 67.8, 67.8. Because I think we're going to get support off these candles here, especially kind of trading up and testing. We tested the band. We just tested it. We kissed it. Just seeing a little bit of retracement, but nothing too crazy. I think if we look at the long term through the week, and we're looking at 69.7. We're coming right back up into that resistance. Coming right back into that resistance. And guys, I'm telling you right here on this channel, we're going to turn that resistance, that old 69,000 resistance, into support. And that is going to be our new flash off into going into post-halving territory. And I hate to sound like a moon boy, but I just really think that is in the cards when we have all of these bullish signs coming into the market. And I think that Ethereum making the leg up right now too is a good sign. We have Ethereum up today 1% on the daily, or it went up over 1% on the hourly just today. Remember getting the notification on my phone. So we've been trading in a range, in a regression trend going down. So if we take a regression trend line going from, so what we like to do is take it right from the middle, and we will pull it right to here. And so what it does is it shows us this, that we have a range, that we've just been trading in these ranges, bouncing all in between a regression trend. So once we get above the regression trend, you can see that we are putting in higher highs on the on this uptrend, going down on the regression, up, and then I think we're going to be pushing up, and this means a confirmation, I think, pushing up to the top of the band to kind of clear back into 4K for Ethereum. So Ethereum is looking pretty spicy too. Ethereum's looking really good. Got a really, really nice pennants all over the market right now, and this is why we went into the trades that we went into, like Floki. We saw the pattern. Look, here's the pattern, guys. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's the measurement of the flag here, and this is the pattern that I've been trading on. Look, here's the measurement of what the breakout can be, and we're already clearing half of the measurement. So our price target here for Floki is going to be 3024. 3024. So let's go, guys. Let's go. If you're trading these markets right now, let me know. Make sure you're using all of the links in the description. It helps directly support the channel, and I would really appreciate it, guys. And also, we're still doing the giveaway, so we have about 10 days left in the month, or just about, or actually we just have about like 9 days in the month. And so we're still doing this giveaway where if you all you have to do is sign up with the link, you make a deposit of $100 or more, you got to trade, and then you will get entered into winning the BitFlex t-shirt. And this t-shirt's dope. It's like one of the most comfy t-shirts I have. I love it. All right, guys, so just make sure you do that. But yeah, let's go into the overall crypto markets. And guys, haven't hit the like button yet, please do so. Helps the channel. Helps people get into this live stream. And we do it, it's a one-man show here, guys. So if we can get the support from the community to really push this stream out and show you guys that just with one person, we can grow this channel to having over 1,000 people watching this stream, having over 10,000 plus subscribers, and just basically just taking over the crypto live streams. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So let's do it. We're pumped. We're stoked. We're feeling bullish. Let's do this. All right, so let's get into it. Let's get into the 5 minute right now. So on the 5 minute, we're seeing a little bit of a downtrend here on the 5 minute. But if we go into the hourly, we could see that we have our guys. We got Pepe, we got Floki. Bonk is seeing some momentum now. because I think Bonk kind of went into the shadows a little bit because we had all these different Solana narrative tokens, meme coins coming out, and a lot of them, honestly, 50% or more of them tend to end up being scams. So we have to kind of remember that this is why I think this is why I've been traded on this narrative. I think that people are going to start thinking, okay, I'm risking my money and just thinking, okay, put $50, $1,000, you know, between 50 and $1,000 is usually what people put into a meme coin to test it, just to see. Because if you look at the buy orders, unless you're a whale or you're like a, you know, you're like a shark or something like that, or whatever you want to call it, you're putting $50, you're putting $100, you know, and you're seeing what happens. And a lot of the times it's probably a scam. Most of the time it's a scam. And so if you think, we know that Bonk and Floki and these things, these long-lasting memes aren't technically scams. They're just they're community tokens. They're doing stuff like Floki has a game. Shiba Inu has its own chain and has multiple tokens that are linked with it. So you just got to think about, savage. Yeah, I'm a savage. I think I think I'm gonna win the fight, but I broke my back spinal. I broke my spinal. Sorry guys. I had to do it. I don't know if you guys have seen that video. No, spinal. I broke my back. All right, let's see what's going on. Oh, guys, so we've been talking about Akash Network. So Akash Network, I think they made some kind of... So what was the news on Akash Network? They had some upgrade, something like that. But we've talked about Akash. It's a coin that we've seen on the Trust Wallet for forever. And I'm thinking, what about... Yo, what's going on? We finally got some people messaging on Twitter, on X. Thank the Lord. What's going on? Shout out to the X viewers. Yeah, that's so good. All right, so yeah, so Akash Network, you can stake it. Yeah, I gotta get the good dad jokes in there. Always. Yeah, so you see here what's strong on the daily here, but we're still aggressively taking profits, so let's see what we can do. We actually, I mean, look, we're going to hit a take profit right here on Floki. We almost hit it. Let's see if we can go right into it. We have a lot more margin on the side because we've just kind of been aggressively taking the profits. So let's see. Because Floki is it's still looking really bullish, but we could hit right up at that resistance. But if we could just trade right up on the band. I think we said we wanted to take half of the... Oh, no, we have to edit that. Let's edit this stop loss. Or not stop loss, but take profit, because we had one up here, too. So maybe we want to put it... Let's see exactly how this stop loss... Or not stop... I keep calling it a stop loss. It is a take profit. So let's edit the take profit at 20.29.5. 20.29.5. Because I don't know how much I said. Oh, so that's selling all of the position. So I don't want to sell all the position. I want to sell I just want to sell some of it. So we're going to edit that. So that's edited. We're going to go right up and probably hit that and test that again. And let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So we actually, before we went to bed, we were protecting these trades. We were making sure, okay, look, we're going to set these take profits and stop losses. And also, we're going to... excuse me, guys. We're going to go into Pepe a little bit more. We didn't want to put all of the margin in. We had a full rack of margin, and we just took like $20 and put a limit order in. So then we could just get a little bit more margin in Pepe. But yeah, it would have been nice to just say risk it all, you know, put it all in there. But that's not how we trade, guys, because we want to make sure we do have money on the side to be able to catch any dips, any fluctuations in the market. So we're really learning as we go and making sure we protect ourselves and just do what our rules are. You have your rules and you have your plan, you have your strategy set, and there's certain things that are going to that you need to follow that are going to make sure that you are in profit and you make sure that you're protected. And we're teaching you this on this channel by watching me do it, showing you. I'm showing you live. I'm showing you the profits. I'm showing you the losses. I'm showing you how I am doing this. And this is the value that is going to skyrocket you into any type of journey, investment journey. And I also think it'll help you overall in mindset for whatever you're trying to do. So it's like when you watch Kanye, you know, like Kanye will pump you up. Kanye would get you pumped up. Kanye would start making you think like, oh my gosh, gotta do something. La la, wait till I get my money right. Can't tell me nothing. All right, let's go, guys. All right, so let's see what we can do. Let's see if Pepe... See, Pepe, what it did is it did a nice little retracement. We almost hit our take profit. We were so close, guys. Look at how close we were to the take profit. We were just like trying to kiss it here. What? I mean, what happened? We were so close. I mean, look at that. But I think give it some time. All right, so AYOKG saying, thanks for teaching me how to trade because I've been buying and holding for a long time. And that's a good strategy too, is you have to do both. You have to do both. You have to do a combination of DCAing, holding, seeing how things do in the long term, and then you can have a completely separate bag that is basically doing the trading, taking the profits a little bit more aggressively, maybe going in and out, you know, DEX trading. That's where I feel like if you're in DEX trading, that's where you can kind of easily go in and out, see if you can go back in and swap in between coins. And then if you have just a completely separate wallet, that is your wallet that is just like, I am setting this and forgetting it. And you can even do this with certain exchanges, but I don't recommend keeping your coins in exchanges. I'm sorry, this is not a knock on any exchange. You can say you have reserves and you're safe and all that stuff, but I don't believe you. And I will never believe you. I will only trade on you exchanges. I'm only going to use you and not, I'm not going to marry you. I'm sorry. I'm not going to marry an exchange. We love exchanges. Yes, we can trade on them, but I'm telling you guys, you just got to learn from me. When you get your bags that you want to hold for long term and you want to be able to have control of it, hold it in your own wallets. Not your keys, not your crypto. I'll say it again. Not your keys, not your crypto. So, we're loving this new camera. We're loving this new setup, guys. I hope you're liking it. I'm feeling bullish on it. I don't think I've ever looked at this high quality in any type of content that I've ever shot in my life. So we're feeling super bullish. But let's get into some of the news here because we had a lot of news break. So let's get into some of the news articles. Some of the things that Watcher.guru was talking about was, look, we've had BRICS to develop its own crypto stablecoin. So what will that mean for how they're going to operate in their own BRICS ecosystem that they're trying to create? Not trying, they are creating it. So it is a de-dollarization main agenda of BRICS 2024 summit, to where they are, and now it's coming to where they are trying to completely eliminate the US dollar. Someone is asking, have I invested in Foxy? So I haven't DCA'd or anything into it, but I did get the airdrop. So I did get a Foxy airdrop to my wallet. I got I got 5,000. So it's worth about $100 right now. So I would say, in terms of these airdrop tokens, especially on Linea, you know, you can bridge your ETH over to Linea. I think OKX and BingX are exchanges that support the Linea network for if you want to buy ETH and send it into your Linea address, which is your MetaMask address. It's the same address. So, yeah, I'm interested in Foxy. I think it has potential. Maybe it is the sneaky MetaMask airdrop that people were talking about, because it says on the Twitter or on the X that it's not directly affiliated with consensus or MetaMask as a MetaMask token, but I mean it says it's Foxy, so we'll see. But we'll pull it up. We'll pull it up in here in just a second. We're gonna keep going through this. So yeah, BRICS exploring the creation of a crypto stablecoin for its international trade settlements. So what's interesting is also BRICS is apparently going to be backed by gold, because you got to think about it. Think of how much gold these nations have. So these nations probably have a lot of gold, and I'm gonna think how much gold they probably have taken from their own citizens, and that they've been hoarding, and also just the deals that we've been doing over the years of us doing deals with the United States, and how we probably also, as the United States, when we got off the gold standard, where did all the gold go? That was the whole controversial thing about Fort Knox, and the whole thing about us getting off the gold standard was like, where did all the gold go? So okay, if we got off the gold standard, where did it go? Where did it go? Peter Schiff, where'd the gold go? Peter, where'd the gold go? Oh, guys, shout out to the chat. Thank you guys so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for being on the stream. We are going to, we're going to get into a couple more articles here. So, we love the Shiba Inu news. So the Shiba Inu whale buys 237 billion SHIB amid 23% rally. So even with the rally, we're still seeing some traction with SHIB, and we're honestly going to start going, I think, heavy into Shiba Inu, just for the fact that it has its own chain. It's basically it has deemed itself as the Doge killer back when it launched in the previous bull market, and maybe it could actually do that. But maybe it could do that. So we'll see. So AY OKG says, I can't do anything with gold besides wear it. And besides PC components, what else do I need it for? Yeah. It's just yes, gold has been a medium of exchange and value for thousands and thousands and thousands of years, and so, but at this point, we're just gonna need to move on to the digital Bitcoin store value age, and I think that's where we're headed. All right, so Brucey's saying, I swapped all my bonk for Foxy. Could have been worse. Yeah, okay, so people are swapping around. They're swapping around. Okay, so then in other news, we have Coinbase that we said, Coinbase launches the Pepe perpetual futures. So cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase has announced support for Pepe perpetuals futures as the asset price has surged as a result. So indeed, Coinbase took 2x to unveil newly developed support for the meme coin futures options that will begin today. So guys, so now one of these coins, one of those meme coins, is seeing increased value as April enters its final week. So specifically, cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase has announced introduced support for Pepe perpetuals. Shiba Inu, Shitoshi. Yo, Vicious Teletubby, what's going on? Shout out to Vicious Teletubby. Yes, hope everyone is doing well as well. Smash up the likes. Let's get the likes up. Let's get as many people in here as we can. We're building this stream. We stream every single day, Monday through Saturday, 11:30 a.m. Only on Mondays is where we're going to be streaming a little earlier. We'll probably be streaming about 10 a.m. on Mondays. And then we don't stream on Sundays, but just in case the market's super bullish and something's happening, emergency stream, we'll be streaming. But always, we're going to be releasing videos, and hope you guys have been liking everything so far. So, the exchange announced that the 1,000 Pepe perp market is set to officially arrive at 9:30. So we saw a massive pump on Pepe when we saw that, but now we're seeing a little bit of retracement. We're probably still going to take some profit, though. We could just take half off the table. We were just about 200 in profit. We've realized some profits on this right now. And let's see what we can do. Let's see what happens. If we're getting a nice downtrend here, but we're still seeing that we're going to get some value area high support right up here. The VBPVR, the VPVR. Try and say that 10 times fast. Guys, whoever you are, wherever you're watching from, let me know if you're bullish. A 1 in the chat. Well, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Yeah, do me a favor and share to X. If you guys do me a favor, just repost this. Just go to the live stream and copy the link. Gonna copy the link here. I'll post it up. And guys, do me a favor. We're gonna get this stream to about 30 likes halfway through. We stream for a full hour, sometimes an hour and a half, and it depends on how bullish you guys get me and we get the likes up. We might even go even longer because this is our job now, guys. So this is what we do. This is our grind now. So if you guys want to grind with me and you want to learn and we do this live, I think this will be better than watching some like Yahoo Finance live on the TV. All right, guys, so let's go. Let's build this thing up. Let's do it. Let's put on our own personal pump song. We got a pump song that we like to put on. Let's get it going. Just a second. We're gonna find it real quick. Last time it took us like 50 years to find it, but now we got it. Find it real quick. Let's go. All right, so put a 1 in the chat if you're bullish. Put a 1 in the chat if you're bullish. Maybe we'll do a little poll here real quick. All right. We got a poll up. Make sure you guys answer the poll. Do you think Bitcoin is going to 72,000 this week? Let's go. Let's pump it. We're gonna start seeing. I'm really curious about this Pepe perpetual and to see what happens. And when we saw this launch right here off 930, massive pump. Like, let's go. We're hoping we can get that support. Look, so if we get a nice strong wick, we get a little bit more of that volume coming back in and people are bullish on this news. They start waking up and they're like, whoa, 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 whoa. But then people might be taking profits. That's why we saw a little bit of retracement. But then let's see. We got Big Daddy Super Paul's Rothschild. My wife saw that name and she was like, wow, that name. I was like, I know, it's a good one. It's a good one. All right. So let's see. Yeah, we're getting that volume coming back in. I love looking at this stuff live. Like, you guys, if you want to trade and you want to scalp stuff, you got to look at the 5 minute and then compare it to how Bitcoin's acting, and we can look and see how we can actuate the movements in the market. So let's see. Bitcoin might be doing something right now. Let's look at the charts. It might be. Oh yeah. See, look, we're above this SMA, and we haven't even been trading, sliding up the band. Watch this band slide. We're gonna be trading up on that band. Let's go. And then look, look at what they're doing. Look, they always try and do this. Look, the Ether ETFs. Ether ETFs are unlikely to be approved in May. Standard Chartered. You know what? That's bullish. Why would I even think that's bearish? Look what they did with Bitcoin. They had Bitcoin going trading up all the way up to these kept going up into the ETF approval, and then it only sold off just a little bit. Here's the thing. I mean, look, ETH on in just an hour, 1% move. So we're going to be having a push up to that 69. We might even today hit 69,000 and see if we can hit that and not even get rejected. Because that's that old rejection level. That's that old resistance, 69, in those ranges right here. But you can see when we've pushed up above it, where we've just kind of got smacked down a little bit, smacked down. Now let's see if we going up, testing this line here again. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. But you're seeing the altcoins. This is great opportunities. I said it yesterday. I said, look, this is a great opportunity short term to be getting into Bitcoin and getting into these altcoins. And there you go. There you go. I mean, what else? What more do you need? What more do you need? We're about to hit the take profit. We're about to hit the take profit here. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, Pepe could be actually pushing up into... Oh, man, this is looking really spicy, guys. I told you guys that Pepe was going to be trading back right up into the top of the wedge. So I just... You heard it here. You heard it here. You heard it here, guys. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Let's see if this wick. Let's see what happens with this wick. Let's see. I should have been tempted to put a little bit more right on this dip, on this retrace, because I felt it in my bones. I was like, the Pepe leg up with this bullish news. People think sometimes, because it can go either direction. I've seen perpetuals list on a coin and it just dumps, because people short the crap out of it. But you're not gonna short. You don't short Pepe. It's not the time. It's just not the time. So people are longing it right now. The volume's coming in. They're wanting to buy spot. They're like, people are probably buying spot Pepe right now, like madmen. And the community is probably just really taking advantage of this right now to push the price into unknown territories. And let's see if we can hit our take profit and just start scooping up a little bit of these, because look, here's the thing. Nothing goes up forever in a giant green line. It doesn't matter. Look at these pennants. 1, 2, 3. Now we're trading sideways a little bit. We were traded sideways, regression trend, and then boom. And this is just on the 5-minute. Look at the hourly. It's the same thing. And then if you want to go to the daily, completely smashed all-time high beforehand. Yeah, it would be really cool to see this hit the take profit just right here. Let's go. Let's see it. Let's see it. Can we do it? Can we do it? We can also take this and slide it down. Just in case. We might put it right to the wick. Let's do it. Let's put it right to the wick. All right, we're going to put it right on that wick. Let's see what happens, guys. Can we do it? Can we do it? Put a 1 in the chat if you think we're going to hit a take profit right here. Let's see. Put a 1 in the chat if you think I'm going to hit a take profit. Come on, let's go. We are also in a Matic trade. We had an opportunity to take 20, about 30% off the table, but we wanted to wait a little bit, so we just left that. All good. But we're gonna be close. We're gonna be close to hitting that take profit. Let's go, guys. Let me know. Did any of you guys trade any of these coins along with me? Did you, as watching my streams through the week, have you been also positioning yourselves with this dog? I'm calling it the dog frog, or dog frogging. I'm calling it the dog frogging Dano Dojo narrative. And if you could say that 10 times fast, I will give you a free NFT. You have to send me an audio recording of you in the Discord saying the Dog, Frog, and Dano Dojo trader method. Oh no, guys! It might be another day where I've drank way too much coffee. Let's go. I know. I bet my wife is like, "You better hit that take profit." We could be getting a little bit of the sell-off here. Oh, okay. Yes, we're pushing it. We're pushing it. We could be pushing it. Look at these green candles, guys. I love watching this right now. This is amazing. It's really cool because this is it just happened today. So it's really great to see this price action. We're seeing it live. Very well that it just gets some short dips and then we just see it just go. And I love that the MACD, like look at the MACD here too. The MACD is just still, it's getting faded here with the selling. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Oh, we're so close. But let's see what time will tell. Time will tell, guys. Time will tell. All right, so guys, I'd love to know, like, what do you think? I would love to know your opinions. What do you think about this BRICS thing? You know, do you think it's going to be successful? Do you think that, because if you're a conspiracy type, then you would think, really, like, the money changers in the world, they are allowing this to happen. They're also allowing the Federal Reserve to exist. They're also allowing all these things. And you just start thinking and scratching your head, like, is there just like a whole bigger like play of theater happening right now when it comes to these world leaders? Because I think so. I think it's all kind of the world's a stage in that kind of sense. So a meme. Let's make a meme of lab rat with cheese and call it rat with cheese idea from Super Kitties. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Or what is it called? Clinton. You get Clinton. You get Clinton foundationed. It's always funny how all these people, they always have these foundations. It's called funnel foundations. It's where they funnel all their money. Yeah, if you're in crypto because you understand that this is how we're going to be able to exit out of the system, and that everything that we've been told in schools and that we've been taught is fake. It's all fake. It's all to get you to be a good worker bee, to get you to have false realities printed upon your consciousness and your vision and your way of life, to make you easily controlled and to not have you get too experienced, too conscious, and too ahead of any type of system of control. So that's just the nail on the head for you guys. And that's just pretty much what's been happening since the dawn of time. And in order for you to get ahead of that is to start to understand that the Matrix is real. And because I don't understand and know that there are matrix systems that exist just in terms of the mechanisms of how a matrix works. They totally exist, because if you understand about the way that reality works, and that it's a projection of energy and light, and it all like almost where of millions and millions and millions of people, and then it creates the reality around you. Don't you get it? So this is the key, guys. This is the secret. It's the secret that's not so secret anymore. And I'm tired of things like this always having to be a secret, or being something that you can't take and apply to your life to better you, your family, the people around you, because the people that know about it are benefiting to your demise. And that's just the facts. So let's go, guys. That's why we're in crypto. That's why we do what we do. That's why we are in this space. This is why you watch this channel, because I'm going to give you guys the juice while we're also trying to make a little bit of money. So let's go. All right, so, and feel free to clip these. I would love if you guys can clip any of these rants that I end up going on, because sometimes I can't help it, but I would love to get a clipped rant with some orchestra music in the background, like the classic YouTube rants. I would love that. All right, so let's see what's going on in terms of the overall. I love the AJ. He said this. He's like, where did it go? He said, buying my own Lambo, something. Where did it go? It was AJ. It was AJ Writes Crypto. Said something about buying his own Lambo. He said, buying my own Lamborghini has been a goal of mine for years, but now that I can buy one, the idea, it doesn't seem to excite me like it used to. Help 1,000 people or buy one car. I'd say help 1,000 people. I'd say help 1,000 people. Be good. Good choice, bro. Good choice, bro. All right, so let's see what's happening on the 5-minute. Okay, so let's see what's happening with Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin, we're trading on the band. I told you guys we're going to be sliding up this band. We're bullish right now. S&P, actually, we didn't look at the S&P. So let's see how the S&P actually opened today. We're trying to keep lick on that, because you see the S&P kind of went into this, and we have this gap in the S&P here, but we traded out of the gap. Now we're going to get some probably over 5,100 for the S&P. So it opened up really nice today. Wall Street rallies on bright earnings, mega cap support. So then we can kind of speculate that on like what did well. So Nvidia up 3.5%. It's good. It's bullish for tech stocks. Brennan said, I'm so glad I'm not the only sane one. Well, what's so funny is that how anything that is trying to get you to believe something, the counter narrative, they make you sound crazy, look crazy, they discredit you, they try and do anything they can to make what you're saying not credible and to not listen to it. It's a great tactic, but the truth always will come to the top. I thought about it like cream when you're making cheese. Like the truth always comes out and it comes to the top like great cream. You know? Like it's just like, and you take that cream off, and then that's that sweet stuff right there that you can really get the goods. Really get the goods. So this is what's happening this year. This is what's happening as we have a lot of opening of the truth, and this all coincides with crypto, with the politics, the geopolitical stuff happening in the world, what the World Economic Forum and the whatever it's called that say you'll own nothing and be happy, like they're telling us that we're gonna own nothing. Like they are the ones that have the say to do so, whether I want to own Bitcoin or own my own grill or have my own garden, you know. So this stuff is going to be challenged with the truth and the light and God, because there's forces that are trying to extinguish that. So let's go, guys. Let's go. All right, so let's look at Doge. Doge, we got some bullish news on X payments. So we at, what was it? I think it was Doge Designer, or CB Doge. The CB Doge. So X is the media's biggest competitor. X is the top for grossing in terms of all of the news platforms. I have to see about the X payments. It was the, oh, and this is bullish too. Pretty soon there's going to be an X TV app. So this is really amazing for creators. So we're going to really start to, and shout out to all the people that are watching on X currently. We have 7 people watching on X. So thank you so much. But we want to look at all of the people, and check this out. In the United States, the First Amendment to the Constitution was freedom of speech. The very first one. Now, I don't know if you guys saw this, but like I did not see this, but this is amazing. Look at this. Magic internet money. What's so funny, guys, is that what they tell us is that they say, look, we can print the dollar. We can have a completely private institution that is going to tax you 7 million times on the money that you make and also the money that people give you. And we're private. We don't have any jurisdiction. The U.S. government doesn't have any jurisdiction on us because we're a private company. We're a private institution that isn't actually involved in setup in the United States. If you look at where the IRS is set up and where all these things are going. And so you start to think to yourself, oh, so they're telling me I can't have magic internet money, but they can just print and do all this stuff separately without any jurisdiction from the law. And then there's no clear crypto law set up at the same time. So where are we going here? I don't know. What do you think? What do you think, SpongeBob? Do you think they should like and subscribe and ding the bell to be notified when I make these live streams and new crypto videos? SpongeBob says, yes, I'm ready. All right. Let's see. Are we going to hit our take profit, or did we miss our chance to really scoop up? Really scoop up the Pepe long trade here. I think if we're smart, we'll scalp a little bit. We'll see how low it can go, and then what we'll do is we could put in some limit orders right here. Maybe we even just put in a limit order right here, or right here to this recent candle pump. But I think with what I've been talking about with Coinbase, with a possible spot listing, it's not guaranteed, but it's a very high probability. I think there's more of a chance of Pepe getting listed on Coinbase spot than there isn't. So I'm gonna bet on the latter. But guys, thank you so much for being in the live stream. Hopefully we have like, oh, I was gonna say we gotta at least have over 20 people in here, but guys, we gotta get more likes in here. So look, we gotta build this stream. We got people out here that have had their channels for 4 or 5 years. They're gonna have thousands of people going into their streams and all this stuff, and sometimes they kind of take a little bit of that algorithm sauce. So let's go. You hit the like button and you share it, and it helps get more of the people that want this content and want to be a part of this community, and also just learn about crypto, learn about trading, and have a little bit of fun at the same time. So if we can get this stream up past 20 likes, that really helps the channel. And let's get this thing going. All right, so it's funny. My phone is ringing, but it's also my camera. So hold on, I need to check this thing. Let's put it on the price. Let's see what's going on with Matic. Let's full screen Matic. Let's see what's going on. This is Matic. This is one of my favorite altcoins. If you guys are wondering what one of my favorite altcoins, I love this one. I didn't see who that was. All right. Let me know what you're drinking, guys. I'm still sipping a little bit of coffee in a Christmas mug. So we have Matic here. A little bit of a V pattern here. Tested up into some resistance. Nice range. What I don't like, though, is that we did put in some lower lows here. Awesome. Well, we love you back. We love coffee. Glad you love the show. Shout out to Nico. All right, so let's see what's happening with the overall. Let's see what's trending right now. Let's see. CoinMarketCap is saying that what's trending right now is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trending. Dragon Ball Z Tribute is trending. Speaking of Dragon Ball Z, we're gonna watch. I think probably the season where Trunks comes back from Trunk comes from the future and basically warns everyone, like, look, guys, these androids are going to be coming and they're going to like f stuff up really bad. So yeah, I remember when that season broke, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so epic. And Trunks, like, such a cool outfit, such a cool jacket, like the vibe. Like that's kind of how I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling like Trunks a little bit. Like I'm feeling like ready. I'm ready to go. Like I'm not letting anyone stop me. Like I got like Andrew Tate, Kanye West like confidence right now, and I feel like when that happens, it starts to make people mad. Like there's a group of people that they either get pumped with you and they're like, yes, but then there's a whole group of people that like literally they get mad for you being confident and they don't like it. And they get literally like uncomfortable. So it's like, good, get uncomfortable. Like get out of my way then, because if you're not ready for the intensity and also for what we're building and what we're about to do in the next year, like then I don't have time for you. I don't have time for you. Like I 100% don't. Like I have time for people that understand what we're doing and understand that like we there's no more time to waste. Like we got stuff to do, you know. No more time to waste. So all right. Let's see what we can do here. Let's see what we can do. Let's see how Floki's doing. So we're getting a little bit of because we had a massive pump on Floki. So Floki probably is going to see a little bit of a downturn, probably in the short term here. If we're looking at the volume area on the 15-minute, we got a big volume node right here going down to 1738, and then not seeing much here because we just had massive move. So if anything, we could be seeing price in the short term for Floki hit those levels, but then we also have a take profit up at these wicks here. So let's see what happens. We'll let the market decide on if we're going to hit these take profits or not. And that's the same with Pepe, because we go up and we've been watching this Pepe, and once it gets up to $200 in profit here, I think that's where we're hitting that take profit, that TP. And let's see what happens in the short term here with Pepe. But it looks like, guys, we see that momentum stop. We could just trade right down into this into the moving averages right here, but where we're crossing. But it's looking good. It's looking good, guys. Man, it's a whole nother world when you're able to stand. I feel like my back has been better. I've been standing straight. My shoulders a little bit more pulled back. Like it's a whole nother world, guys. So I suggest if you are at a desk for a long periods of time, get a standing desk. It really will help you out. All right, so we see we have a red candle here, but if we keep going green and we test right above this wick, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. It's a good sign for the short term here for Pepe, because then we could be hitting those take profits and we could be in some good territory here. We'd like to see that. We'd like to see that. That's interesting. There we go. All right, so Matic's still a little down, but we're looking at Matic for the long term. We're swing longing this one. We're for the swing long on this one, so then we can add a little bit more, because we're not too high leveraged on it, but we'll see what happens. We're looking like Matic is going to be rallying pretty soon here. We're looking at the weekly. Or that's not Matic. Sorry, we need to look at Matic here. I thought I was looking at Matic. All right, there's the weekly on Matic. All right, so I mean we're looking for $1.28 here in the short term. So thanks guys for being here. Really do appreciate it. Let's see if we got the likes up past 20. Yes! Yes! We got it. We got it. Can we get it to 30 before we end? We might be able to do so. I said we're going to get to 30 before we end, and I think that can get a lot of people in here. Maybe if we can... Guys, I think we can do it. Let's see if we can get at least 30 people in here before we end. Let's get 30 people hanging out. Let's get some new members in here. Let's get the subscribers up. Let's get people joining into the Dano Crypto Dojo community, and make sure you go in and check out the Discord. We're going to be updating this as much as we can, adding new things in here. Make yourselves known. All right. So let's get into a little bit of the news here. So the U.S. Bitcoin mining stocks surge after the halving. So this could have been an obvious one. This could have been a really good play. All right, so Yoga with the Ohmies, it says, really the best show in crypto. I'm here for Dano, and also to peep the best screen names like Daddy Rothschild and such. Yeah. Yeah, those are yeah. Yeah, Yoga with the Ohmies is only here to like names like Vicious Teletubby. We love Vicious Teletubby. That's another great name as well. Oh, Myro is pumping. Okay, let's check out Myro right now. Let's check the Myro chart. Is Myro pumping enough to where if we throw a little bit of cash in today? Oh, wow. Yeah. So just pumped off the pennant here. A little sideways action. You got to think, look, you get a little sideways action here coming from these levels. Nice little breakout. Testing that all-time high. Or not an all-time high, but testing the top of the wedge here, the top of the range. Money flow coming in. Great cross on the MACD right here. If I bring this over just a little bit, yeah, see that cross right there? Nice move to the upside. Now, a lot of the times when this does happen, it touches that band, or it touches close. It could trade up to the top of this band, but then also trade right back down into the range. So just watch it. So just be weary if you're thinking, okay, Myro is pumping, let's get into a trade. Just watch for regression here off this pump. Especially when it hits this the top of the band, and also right here is resistance, so. But even in the short term, looks like it's just crushing right now. Look at this candle. If we go to look, we could trade to the top of the band. We trade to the top of the band. That's a 5% move right now. So that's a 5% move right now on Myro if we trade to the top of the band literally right now in the short term. If you want to, that's a clean 5%, easy 5%. So let's go to Myro right now Let's go to Myro right now, and maybe we just see what happens, because that's a 5% move right up to the top of the band. Literally right there. Looks like it's trying to move. Yep, it's looking like it wants to go right into that band. It wants to go, boom, test that band. Let's go. All right, we're live trading right now, guys. We are live trading. We see it. All right, let's see if it let's see if it goes. Let's see if it touches the band, or we're just gonna get scooped. Or we just get scooped. Let's see what happens. It was a massive candle, so normally you wouldn't want to do this. You'd want to short on a candle like this, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We start breaking down hard. We were liking the top of this band here. But look, we're getting the value area low. But let's see. Maybe Myro will do exactly what we just said. We can also just scoop right out of this thing. We start breaking down here. We'd take just a small little loss here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, SpongeBob wants to remind you guys that you gotta like and subscribe, ding the bell. All right, look, we're gonna trade right into the. Hold on, let's see what happens. All right, let's see. Let's hit that take profit. Let's hit that take profit. I think we already hit the. Let's see, Myro right here. Let's add the take profit. We're gonna take the whole position, just the whole position right here. Nice. Nice. That's great. That's awesome. We're being a degen right now. This is absolutely degen, so but we're getting close to doing a take profit on our Pepe trade. Getting really close on Floki. Got our Matic trade. It's doing better. We had a little bit of a wick down, but now we're getting to push up. Hi, girl. All right, yo, what's going on? We're back, guys. Sorry, my daughter wanted to deliver me a note, so she's really cute. All right, so were we super degens trying to get into this trade right now? That is definitely a short, but we see, you know, we're seeing that it was, even with this massive green candle, you could easily touch that band because we've got some massive volume coming in. Crazy volume coming in on this coin, so let's see what happens. See what happens. I think so. Let's do it. Let's do it. I think we are gonna get the pump song. The pump song's fun. Blast it. Let's go. All right. Pump song activated. Let's get Bitcoin pumping, guys. Let's see. Let's get these markets going. Let's show people that you don't sell your Bitcoin. We're gonna pump this thing. Let's go. We're just gonna be streaming just for a couple more minutes, guys. Bitcoin go down for what? Go down for what? Bitcoin go down for what? Make sure you guys hit the like button. Yeah, this thing's breaking down. What a degen trade. Well, let's see what happens. Bitcoin keeps pumping. We're in a nice range. Put a one in the chat. You think Bitcoin by the end of the week is going to be at 72K? Thanks, you guys, for jamming with me. This is the gorilla walk. You ready? It's that Sasquatch. It's that Sasquatch walk. Coming to eat the profits. Could be hitting a take profit on Pepe. Hanging out with me. It's Tuesday. Starting the week strong. Brandon saying, bro, I feel like we'd be best friends. We could all be best friends in crypto. That's what I feel. Yeah, we probably would be. We probably would be. All right, so let's see. We're gonna hit this take profit. Let's do it. How close are we? We're so close. I would love for you guys to see the take profit get hit. So then you can think, oh, I need to do that. I need to set a take profit. Because then it just solidifies that you're getting money from the market. You're not getting chewed up and spit out. You're the one doing the chewing. You're the one doing the I don't know if it's been another one of those days, guys, where I should have eaten more food and drank less coffee, or ate less coffee and drank more food. I don't know which one it is. It's one of those. All right, let's go. Let's hit it. Let's hit it. We're going to hit that take profit. Okay, guys, I have a question. All right, this is going to be a little thing in the chat here. Should we move the take profit to this wick on this candle, or should we move the take profit to this candle, or should keep it here on this candle with this wick? Higher probability of us going and trading up into the top of the band here, or we take profit here or here. Let's see what happens. Definitely high probability we hit this wick. It's looking spicy, guys. It's looking spicy. Oh, yeah. I want to see it. I want you guys to see it. Let's see what happens. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see that push. Oh, if we would, we set it here, it would have been triggered immediately. Okay, let's see. This is another great pump song. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Pepe. Leg up. We're gonna move this thing right to the wick. We're moving this thing right to the wick. Right to the wick. Man, we would have had a nice take profit right there. If we just start bouncing, we're gonna go boom. We're gonna hit that wick super fast. Watch this. Ooh, I'm watching this thing like a hawk. Come on, Pepe, let's go. Who else is trading Pepe right now? See what it's looking like on the 5 minute. Oh. Oh. This is getting so, it's good. This is getting juicy, guys. We got what's happening because look, Bitcoin. Yes, we're gonna get that push up on the band to the Bitcoin, to the old Bitcoin. Let's go. All right, so cool. Yeah, you guys are. Yeah, so you guys are trading it right with me. Awesome. All right, let's do this thing. Getting a little bit of sell-off. But look, guys. Could be just a quick little retrace, and we pass that candle. Really? Ramsey says, me, you, become a DJ. Oh, our Myro trade is now in profit. Oh, let's not lose track on Pepe. We could be hitting our take profit here. We could be hitting a take profit. Let's go. Let's do it. Oh, this is so, it's like it's like keeping me on the edge of my non-seat. On the edge of my desk here. All right, let's see how many people we have watching. How many people do we have watching? Awesome. We got to get this thing to 30 likes, guys. If we get it to 30 likes, it could probably easily get 30 people in here with us watching and hanging out together, doing some live trading, doing a little bit of analysis. So let's go. I think we can do it. We're going to hit this take profit. People are loving trading this Pepe right now. Man, the standing desk. It's great. All right. We're going to be hitting this take profit live here. What's going on? Shout out to Space Cowboy. Space Cowboys. Space Cowboys. Did you ever watch Outlaw Star? Do you guys ever watch Outlaw Star? Outlaw Star was awesome. I think it was like a super underrated anime around that Toonami time. Man, these wicks. These wicks. That would have been a nice take profit right there. That would have been a nice take profit on this wick right here. Yeah, Bing X. We haven't tried Bing X. We should give me a referral code. I'll use any of your referral codes for Bing X. I'll have to test it out. Yeah, we've tested out PHEMEX, we've got, Bitflex, Mexi, LBANK. Yeah, we've tested out a few. We have our favorites. You guys know what we like. Everything that we like, we have the links in the description. And who are partners, channel, and all that stuff. So. Yeah, exchanges have a bad. Some are really bad, like to where it's Oh yeah, I know. It's like it is what it is. But yeah, June 30th. Some interesting things here. All right, so we'll turn down the music just a little bit. All right, so we have been streaming since 11:30, so probably just gonna be streaming just for about another 5 minutes here. We're gonna see what happens. We would love to see the take profit get hit live. We were hoping for that. Nice on the 5 minute, nice red candle there, going back down to the to the node here. Volume area low. Could easily just still keep getting these wicks to keep pushing a little bit more to the upside. This trading is very volatile, though. So if you are trading this right now, it is volatile. It is volatile. Probably Bitcoin is seeing a little... Yep, so Bitcoin is doing something. So we're going back and forth between the 5 minute on Bitcoin. Seeing we had to look, see. All right. We might end up, instead of waiting for that take profit, or we should wait on the take profit. We also could just take profit now, but we could just wait for the market just to signal into that take profit because of this wick. We're just waiting for that wick again because we touched that one. So we're just waiting for the wick. And then to start trading up into the channel here. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, thank you so much for being in the live stream today. I really do appreciate it. We are going to be live streaming again today at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So remember, guys, we stream live Monday through Saturday at 11:30 a.m. And only on Mondays we stream at 10. So Mondays, 10 a.m. And I'm on the Moon Show as a guest on Mondays, every Monday on the Moon. It's Carl Runefeld's channel. So if you go to type in the Moon Carl, you will see the Moon, and they go live every single day as well at 9 a.m. So be sure to catch that. And I'll see you guys on the next stream later today. And I hope you guys are feeling good and refreshed, and you're going to go into the rest of the day and the week strong. God bless you and your families, and happy trading. All right, see you in the next one. Peace.